Alright, so I've kind of got this thing part of the way torn apart. Kind of got parts laid out everywhere. There's the lower half of the table, or saddle, or whatever you call it. There's the drive gear transmission for the XY movement. A few more bits and pieces of it. And over here is one of the lead screws. So I'm still not sure exactly where the problem is, why I'm having so much resistance, but I do have some unusual wear on one side. Let's see. This side looks like it's wearing pretty evenly. It's not focusing real good, but anyways, the wear on this side is pretty even. This is the side opposite the gib. This side, however, is wearing mostly at the top. I'm not sure what's going on with that. So anyways, the next thing I'm going to do is get the bottom half of this thing back up here and get the gib in it and kind of adjust it and manually move it and see if the problem is with the ways and the gib, or if the problem's in the lead screw, and go from there.